Install the mounting screw into the upper side of the door. Make sure the screw is tightened. Do the same to the lower side of the door. Position the handle so its holes line up with the pre-installed screws. Secure the handle using the provided hex key. Do the same to the lower side. Door handle installation is completed. After plugging in the unit, the display and interior lights will turn on, and the display will show the current internal temperature. The LED light function is enabled by default. When the door opens, the LED light turns on. It turns off when the door closes. Press plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature to your desired level. Setting range is from 30 Fahrenheit to 50 Fahrenheit. The default setting is 39 Fahrenheit. Each press changes the temperature by 1 Fahrenheit. After setting the temperature, the display will flash, then show the current internal temperature. Press and hold the light button for 3 seconds to turn off this function. Press and hold the light button again for 3 seconds to turn the function back on. You can lock the door by inserting the attached key into the door lock on the bottom of the appliance and rotating clockwise. Rotate anti-clockwise to unlock.